Hi, I'm Petra, and in this video I am introducing the BIoregenesis, Juicing, Detoxing and Raw Vegan sub-module. So this is the sub-module of the BIoregenesis project, the health project, and this is focused on juicing, detoxing and raw veganism. So I am Petra, an awakening and holistic health mentor, and I'm focusing on soul purpose based, organized, disciplined and structured lifestyle with a special focus on juicing, rawing and detoxing. Under this section, under this sub-BIoregenesis section, I will be focusing on these three main crucial practical tools and all the information, theoretical and practical, behind it, both on the micro and macro level, that helps you stay on track, stick to your best self, and helps you to free yourself from the addiction to pain and the addiction to death that has been programmed artificially in us, and it's even in our DNA for thousands of years. So, opening up the food topic is a huge one. Just like all the other topics I am touching are huge ones and are worthy of discussing for lifetimes. And just like with every other topic and area I am touching, I will be doing the pioneering, unusual, rare, absolute pioneering way of sharing truthful information, and that is going to be that I am going to link and connect the dots and link the understandings together about the topic of food and the phenomena of food and how we eat today with the macro topic of our global system, situation and humanity's true galactic history. Because the way we eat, everything about food today is manipulated, false and artificial, and is also symbolic. And the truth of the food topic is in fact very, very hard, dark and painful, that someone or one who starts to discover it and realize what it is exactly and what it means, you need to be prepared for it in order for you, for your inner child and your fragile psyche to be able to handle it. So about this way later. So the main intention of this section, besides giving you, like I said, a pioneer understanding about the depths of the food topic, so giving you very deep and truthful theoretical information and understanding. Besides that, it's all about the practice and motivation of doing juicing, doing detoxing, doing rawing. It doesn't mean that you can get into the group only if you are perfectly raw. I'm not perfectly raw, but it is a perfect tool to heal yourself with it. Just do it for some time. I'm not going to go into this detail because now this is only the introduction of this module, but these are the three things I'm going to be focusing on: the benefits and different practices and ways and methods of juicing, detoxing, rawing, doing challenges, doing it together, sharing our experiences and just really doing it together, having a lot of fun while doing it, and really transforming, rebirthing and healing and youthing together. So everyone is a drug addict for thousands of years. Everyone, me too. Not as much as I used to be, but I still have traces. We are addicts because we have been made addicts. Unfortunately, until you start your conscious healing, awakening and ascension process, we have been programmed and traumatized and reversed through various mind control and programming to be addicted to everything that is bad, that is anti-life, that is death, and that hurts. This has a science actually, what they did, how they did it, who did it, because this is not natural. So everyone is a drug addict till they start to wake up and start to heal themselves and restore themselves to be in love with truth, to be in love with life, and to heal their reversed pain and pleasure splitters and pain and pleasure sensors. Eating disorders. It also is globally a phenomena for a long time. Everyone has eating disorder, even those who don't think they do, because the entire thing what we do, everything what we do is an eating disorder, and it has many levels and variations. What we eat is an eating disorder because we are not eating what we are designed to eat. And it's not me who decides what is good, it's not you, it's not anyone. It's, let's say, it's cosmic intelligence, who is much more intelligent than any of us. Nature is bigger than us, nature is bigger than me, more powerful than me, and the cosmic creator consciousness, who also created nature, has designed intentionally things for us to make us perfectly happy and radiant. So here too, I'm gonna give unique information and connections, so through understanding you will be even more motivated to make better choices for you, because just about everyone wants to eat healthy. Who doesn't want radiant health? Who doesn't want perfect body? Who doesn't want to look like all the models? Everyone, like our organic natural state is to be beautiful inside and out, and it means love, and it means embodied love and embodied truth too. One of the commons and one of the qualities of nature is beauty. It's beauty, radiance, artistic, radiant beauty. That's our original state. That's how we should exist, and we should feel amazingly ecstatic in our body with all kinds of amazing vibrations. So there's a reason why we are not experiencing it, and there are ways with which we can heal and restore ourselves to some level. So there's a blog for this video, check it out in the description, and I'm linking the description for the BIoregenesis holistic health and life goal mentor support group. And it's a group, it's a closed, safe, private space for those who want to heal, have questions, deep questions, want to know the truth, and who need loving and supporting and kind community to do the cleansing and healing and rebirth process together, and help to keep each other on the right track and motivate each other and keep ourselves accountable towards each other and life in general. So that's the BIoregenesis group. That's all about health, lifestyle, detoxing, juicing, and just really healing and clearing on all levels, because this is also asked from us, from Mother Nature, and from all the sentient being around us. We are asked to do this. So check it out and see you later.